I just share the data, and per this, Hive just made it, depending on the actual measurement, getting in at say 3.06. So super close, close enough. I give them that. The average is 4.17. And you got some things down the bottom that are kind of pretty scary. Like Cypher did not do very well on this. But again, these are all ratios that we create a composite score from at the end. I'd have the third most hash, CleanSpark fourth. It's incredible. There are a lot of new players that are in on the game, and they've grown their hash very, very fast, whereas others have been around for years, haven't really gone anywhere. This is no promise that they'll be able to deliver this future hash, but that is their plan. So Core Scientific, Possibly Riot, plan to double their hash. The price to sales ratio of less than 3 to me is considered to be undervalued, while a price to sales ratio of more than 5 is overvalued. If we look at Hut there too, their current is about 2,500. They're going to triple that, which is massive. Let's look at hash rate growth as well, 8.3. 0.23.